Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted spaces in Excel. So here you can see in the data there are some spaces in the numbers and in the names too. So what you will do, just go to this find and select option. To replace option, here you can see there is an option of find word and replace with. Click on find word. Click on find word and give just one space and go to replace and don't put anything or click anything here and click on replace all and click on OK. As you can see, it has removed all the spaces. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.